First, state your name, age, where you're from, and how long you've been trading.
Hi, my name is Julian Smith. I'm 38 years old. I'm from Tampa Bay, Florida, and I've only been trading for a few months.
Do you only trade Forex?
Currently, yes. That's the only thing I do trade. Of course, I have just regular long-term investments like IRAs and stuff like that, but I wouldn't consider that trading. That's just more just investment, long-term investment stuff. Yeah.
So far with your experience, how has the ASFX system changed your career?
It's done wonders. It's giving me more clarity. It's really more than anything set my mindset and amongst all of the noise that's out here in the industry with Forex, particularly with social media, it's allowed me to focus on what's important and treat it more as a business versus a quick scheme to get rich.
What do you think of the all-day seminar?
Wonderful. More than anything, networking. You see like-minded people, community, which is so big, especially when you're first joining and getting to something like Forex. A lot of nuance that you won't be able to get just on an online course. I think the online course is a great foundation and it's definitely needed to be here, but the nuance and the additional questions and kind of probing into more detail is what you get in the seminar, and I'll do it again. It's great.
Would you recommend this seminar to new or struggling traders?
Absolutely. There's only so much you can get when you ride solo. I think Forex does allow you to ride solo, but being at the seminar, having that community, I would recommend this to anybody who's just getting in, even somebody who's been in it for a while. I think the way Austin teaches the course and his concepts and his approach can help a novice trader or someone who's been in it for a while.
So let's take it back to the first time you ever heard the word Forex. If you could give yourself any piece of advice, what would it be?
I heard Forex back in 2011, and I think the first piece of advice I would give myself back then is to find a community, stick to one plan, don't get the shiny object syndrome where you are able to look at what's in the Forex world and jump from strategy to strategy, place to place, trainer to trainer. Find one that has a reputable reputation and stick with it.
How has the ASFX system impacted your trading journey?
So far, so good. Although my journey is short right now, I think I'm more confident in looking at the charts. More than anything, I'm more confident in my approach and how I will approach Forex as a business and just really a process. I'm more process driven, and so it's allowed me to really have a process versus being so scattered, if you will.
For the last questions, I'm gonna say the first half of the question, and then I want you to finish the answer.
Sure.
Everyone should consider trading Forex because
it will allow you to gain the financial freedom that you're looking for, whatever and however you define that. And it's an opportunity like no other out there, where you're able to kind of create the life you want.
trading Forex with the ASFX system is
life-changing.
Every new Forex trader should
study hard and don't get blindsided by all of the noise that's out there in regards to what you become. You get out what you put in.